friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lamptron HM070 Flip LCD PC hardware monitor. So friend, Lamptron have recently launched the HM070 Flip display for PC hardware monitoring. Designed to be installed within a PC case, the unit can automatically flip the screen open when powered on. And friend, previously reviewed the Lamptron HM070 Lift, which features the same 7-inch 1024x600 LCD display in a lifting configuration. And friend, it also includes integration with AIDA64 software to display hardware information with various provided templates designed specifically for display. And friend, the unit can be installed in the top or bottom of certain cases with dimensions of 182.5 mm into 130 mm into 30 mm. And friend, device also includes a remote control for manual operation and is powered via 5-volt micro USB connector with HDMI used for the display. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.